and welcome back to my channel. This is a very beautiful and a mini vlog of HUNDRU Waterfall, which is in Ranchi in Jharkhand, and it is about 2 hours from my home. So I hope you guys enjoy this and please watch it till the end. Okay, so I have been dying to go out and explore more because I have been locked up in my home since 2 years. So it was a very spontaneous decision of my father to take us to the HUNDRU waterfall, and it was pretty hard for us to go because of Goofy, my dog, and we couldn't leave him alone. We decided to leave him with one of my friends for a day, and hence the journey begins. We finally reached near the waterfall, and the sound, the view, everything was super cool and amazing.
Ah, so pretty.
It's hard for me to describe the beauty. The view was literally, it was like we were in heaven.
आराम से बहुत अच्छी हवा है बस थोड़ी गिरोगी तो सो जाएगा कोई बात नहीं
It also had a ziplining sports over there, so I and my brother decided to go on that.
बहुत लंबा है मजा आएगा डरपोक अरमान डरपोक अरे चलो चलो
Going down to the waterfall was like really easy peasy, but again climbing up and going back was a real task. Overall, it's the prettiest thing I have seen till now, prettiest waterfall I have seen. So if you are near Ranchi or even in Jharkhand, please visit this place. You won't regret it, I swear.
Goofy! Goofy! आजा Goofy, speak, speak. Goofy, speak. Speak.